creators, it's me, Pretty Crafty, and I am back with another video. I hope all is well. I hope all of you have been creating and using your silhouette machine and learning with me as I've been posting videos. Okay, today I'm putting together some invitations, and this is actually at Sexy Fish, a restaurant, so that's why I'm showing you the details. The RSVP I have turned upside down, but this is the front of the RSVP. Now, in the prior video, I showed you guys how to use the foil quill with your silhouette machine, and I showed you two techniques. This technique is doing the foiling without the print and cut, and this technique is using the foil machine, using the print and cut. So if you would like to learn how to do these techniques, please go and watch the video that I posted before I uploaded this video. Now, this invitation consists of 180 pieces, so I will be doing two parts to this video. If you guys hear noise in the back, I do apologize for that. They are working on the guest house, so I could hear the banging and drilling, so I do apologize if that comes up in the video. Okay, so like I was saying, I'm putting these invites inside of a book box of a template that I made, and I will be selling both. Now, there are a lot of book box templates that are out there, but I made mine a little larger and I added different layers and elements to it, which you will see in the next video that I'm putting together. So I'm just going to move these out the way for now, and we will put these together in the next video. We are just going to focus on putting together the invitations and the layers. This is, oh Lord have mercy. Okay. So, you know, before I speed up the video, I'm going to put probably one or two together just to show you guys how I'm layering everything. Also, I will be adding the foil flakes to the RSVP at the top and bottom just to give it more of a oomph. Also with the fish, the mermaid tail, like so. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is put this together, which is 3 parts: the front, the middle, and the back. Now, I did mirror this image because I wanted to go back on the gold foil cardstock, which I buy my gold foil cardstock from Michael's when it's on sale. And then, you know, I get my textured cardstock from Joann's when it's on sale. So I'm going to start by doing the front. Oops, sorry. Taping down the front like so. Okay, now I'm going to add my back piece. And this image is actually going on in front of the boxes too. This part, so that don't belong here right now. These were really fun to make. She wanted something different and to go with the restaurant theme, which is a lot going on in that restaurant. They have one in Miami, in London, I believe. Okay, so this is the top part of the invitation. This is the back part. You see the hint of foil is showing. And now I'm going to do this part on camera. Now I'm going to add this part because the back part with the RSV information is going to go on the back part. RSVP, sorry. So I'm actually going to glue this down. If I had my hot glue gun on, I would have hot glued it. But this is fine. Now I'm going to take my tape runner, cut a few pieces, even secure this a little more. I don't like to sit there and wait for the glue to dry, so I usually just use my tape runner. Okay, let me see if I could do this without exposing her information. I hope I didn't. Okay, and of course I forgot to get my little sponge thing, so give me a second. When I think I have everything to put together the video, this happens. I always forget one little thing. Give me 1 second, creators. Let me get the little sponge that I'm gonna use to put the flakes on, and I am using the metal leaf adhesive to add the foil flakes. Okay, so I'm using my sponge because my daughter took my paintbrushes and let's just say I can't use them no more. Forgot to grab some more. So you can use a little paintbrush to put this on, or the little black sponge brushy things. But I'm using what I have, so this will do. And you also could use a regular glue like this. To me, it's just the same thing, but because I have this, I'm using it. So I'm just going to dab some on here like so, to where I want the foil to stick. Like that. Not much. You don't need that much. A little goes a long way. And I'm just going to dab my sponge. Let me get some. And just dab it on there like this and like that. Just to add a little more detail to the invites. Brush off the excess back over. And there you go. And we will be sitting these inside the boxes with a little bit of gold thread in the background to give it even more of a pop. And these are her invites. So I'm going to put another one together before I speed up the video. And these consist of 12 invitations. And 180 pieces, like I said, of everything to complete the invites. Here we go. And just add in the foil using the foil quill. You do not need a laser printer. So the foil quill pens really do come in handy when you want to add more detail to your items. And it's very easy to do, you guys. Now I'm just going to add this, and I'm going to go back and add these later, so I don't expose the client's info. Let me just do the tape because, like I said, I don't like. Might as well put the back on. I don't like to sit there and hold and watch the glue dry. Let me take it off of camera a minute so I make sure I align it properly. Okay. Now I'm going to add the foil. and I'm going to speed up the video. And I do sell this template for the invite, and it is in the description below. And you could do any theme. It's just the template that I'm selling. You could also make, using this shape, which is very popular right now, you could also do the centerpieces like this and just add like 3 or 4 different pieces and resize them. If you guys want to see a video with me making the centerpieces with this shape, let me know. They come out actually really cute. And also you can make cake toppers using this shape. So you just don't have to use the shape for invitation purposes only. This shape is more in style now. So this is the second invitation, and it's like this. So guys, I will speed up the video to complete everything, and then we will be moving on to the next video of putting together the book boxes. Now you could use these boxes too, which I will cover in the next video as well. You could use them for party favors. You could fill them with candy. You could do different things with these boxes, which we will cover in the next video. But I like to use them for invitations because it stands out in the quality. But yeah, you could use them definitely for candy boxes, favor boxes. Okay guys, so I'm going to speed up the video putting these together so we could proceed to the next video. Y'all know I like to get straight to the point. And again, if y'all would like to buy this shape, this template, this is in the description below. And right now I'm transferring my website from Squarespace to Shopify because Squarespace limits you on like the merchants that I sell through, which is ridiculous, they prices. So I'm going over to Shopify. So right now I'm only taking Cash App and Venmo for my purchases at this time until I could finish all my coding and stuff on Shopify. So hopefully by December everything will be up and running. It's more of a process, but to me I think it will be well worth switching. Okay, you guys, so I'm going to speed up the video. Thank you for watching. If you have any comments, leave them below. I always try to answer back. And also, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and subscribe because I will be teaching you a lot of cool details and techniques that you could use with your machine and selling a lot of templates for you guys to resell and make money. All right, let me speed up the video. So hey creators, I forgot to print 3 of the RSVPs, but these are complete and done. Look how pretty everything came out. Let me show you the back side again. I should have flipped some of them over. Let me do that now. So everything came out super cute. Meet me in the next video that I am about to put together the book boxes right now to these invites so you could see the overall finished look. Don't forget to subscribe.